This is an overview of Parker Undercover Angel, released in 2020 and shipped in January 2021. So this is the outside of the cover. The inside. She comes with a red button-down top, a multicolored houndstooth jacket, jeans. There's a red shiny jumpsuit, which we'll see here a little bit later, and she comes with lots of accessories up here and a stand. Here is her bronze purse. It has a magnet to keep it closed. Here it is from the side. Here is her jewelry, simple chain, earrings, some sunglasses. This folded up piece of fabric unfolds, and it's a scarf that goes around her neck. They have it with the daytime look. Here is her shoe actually on her foot. It was really easy to put on, which is my kind of shoe. This is the shape of her foot.
She has a second pair of hands that allow her to hold the gun.
Here is her daytime look, minus the jewelry and gun. She has a belt underneath, holding her pants. And she also has her bell bottoms, and this is where it falls on the shoes. So you can still see them, which is good. Let's take a close-up of her jeans. Definitely has some threads that need cut. Get it undone in the back here. It does have pockets. This one does not have lining, which is fine by me.
Here's the daytime photo I took. Doesn't she look great in this outfit?
Okay, time for the hairnet reveal. Very careful. It doesn't have the feathered look I had hoped for. This is definitely more of a curl. Yeah. Alright, let's see what the back looks like. It's a mess. What on earth? Last few dolls I've gotten, their hair has been tragic. Usually I'm a person who hairsprays them to make them factory perfect. I'm not going to do that with her. So I'll have to figure out if there's a way to make it work. It just needs some work for sure. Here is her purse. Her jewelry. She has earrings and a bracelet. And her shoes. Very shiny.
I love the cut of the pants and how shimmery it is. This is my favorite out of the two outfits. So beautiful, I love it.
Has a like mesh panel, so when you put it together, it won't show as many gaps. Now I did notice, you'll see there's some threads starting to be loose right here. I only took it off for like 3 times and it's already kind of tearing. I'm hoping it won't continue. Just something to note, to be careful with it. Most likely someone forgot to do like a back stitch to close it or something. So yeah, but the inside also has mesh.
I took a photo of her night look with her handbag and her handgun. She looks so sexy in this jumpsuit. Thanks for watching the overview. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can follow Daintyville on social media. The links are in the description. Thanks, bye.